In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Blink outdoor camera. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to connect and use a Blink outdoor camera, you need to download the latest version of their mobile app. So download the Blink mobile app, and in here you will be able to set up a system, connect your sync module, and your cameras. So first, tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the app. Upon tapping the plus sign, you can choose a variety of cameras, but you will have to start with the sync module. So if you have a wireless camera, choose this option first. Now, scan the QR code. The primary way to connect these devices is by scanning a QR code that is going to be displayed on the back or underneath the device. You can also optionally enter the serial code manually, so choose whichever option you prefer. Once you have entered the serial or connected it over the QR code, you will be able to create a new system. So you can give a random name to your system, for example, outdoor, home hub, whatever it is, and connect the sync module to this new system that you've created. Now, if you look at the module, you should see a blinking blue light and one steady green right on top of each other like this. So make sure that it is plugged in. If you plug it in and they don't start blinking and you don't see the steady light, then use this option here at the bottom, or you can perform a reset as they instruct you. Press and hold the reset button until you see a red light. This may take several seconds. Once everything looks okay and you see the blinking light and the steady green, then tap on Discover Device, and this will assign the sync module to the system that you've created. Now you can repeat the exact same steps with the camera instead, so tap the plus sign, choose the appropriate model of camera, so wireless camera, mini camera, video doorbell, whatever it is that you have, and then follow the instructions. Usually it is going to be again by scanning a QR code or enter the serial manually. It is going to be added, they will give you some instructions on how to position the camera, and then it will appear under the devices alongside your sync module. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.